According to recent media reports, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals on Saturday said it has launched antiviral drug Favipiravir under the brand name FabiFlu for the treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. The Mumbai-based drug firm had on Friday received manufacturing and marketing approval from the Drugs Controller General of India. Drug maker Glenmark's FabiFlu has been approved for COVID-19 treatment in India. FabiFlu will be used for treating COVID-19 patients with mild to moderate symptoms and will be made available from today evening and by next week across the country. The company has got approval under emergency category. Each tablet of 200 mg costs Rs 103 and a strip containing 34 tablets has been priced at Rs 3,500. It will be made available at hospitals and chemist shops and will be sold under medical prescription. On the first day, a patient will be administered 1,800 mg twice each. From the second day, the patient will be given 800 mg twice a day for up to 14 days as per the doctor's advice. The medicine can be administered to patients between the age group of 18 and 75. Since the approval is under emergency category due to the pandemic, the patient has to give an undertaking before consuming the medicine. 70 to 80% of COVID-19 patients are from the mild and medium category for which the drug has been approved. A patient of this type need not to be admitted to the hospital and can stay at home. Glenmark is taking care of end-to-end processes of this medication starting from manufacturing API and development of formulation of manufacturing as well as marketing and supply. Company executives said this will help in reducing the pressure on hospitals. Clinical trials on for 150 patients in India. For the next stage, the company is planning for a combination trial for COVID-19 treatment. Once administered, the drug will help in bringing down the viral load on the patient, company executives said.